My name is Cole Thornton with Modern Steel Solutions. Our customer, Jason Lyons at the yard stop, he wanted what he wanted. He wanted somebody that would be with him from start to finish throughout the entire process. You know, we're trying to figure out who would be the best fit for this project. Allied Steel Buildings is a great company to work with. They really just understood the process all the way through. There was never a doubt in our mind when we were talking to Allied and David Bolt that they could handle this project. When you're in this industry, there's so many details, there's so many steps. It's just, you know, projects last 6 months, a year, even up to 2 years, depending on the size and the complexity of it. There's a lot of room for doubt to be cast into people's minds. We never felt that doubt with Allied Steel Buildings. Allied was there with us from day one until the end. You know, Allied's been great, David Bolt's been great. They pick up the phone, they answer questions, and they respond in a timely manner. And that's why we went with Allied Steel Buildings. Concerns that you have with manufacturers is, okay, we've been in this industry. Who can speak our language? Who can follow us step for step and just walk through the process with us? We don't want to feel like we're dragging somebody along, and Allied is not that company. Allied has been there with us step for step throughout the entire process. This project is a masterpiece. It's a showpiece, right? Everybody, Ocala is the fastest growing city in the state of Florida. Everybody's eyes are on this project. So when we talk about needing a company that can provide bells and whistles, Allied's that company. You can look at the quality of the welds, the quality of the frames, the finished frames, being able to paint these frames any color you want them painted from the Sherwin-Williams paint code. Just a great product all the way around. From their engineers to their draftsmen to their salesmen to even the ownership of the company, they've been great. The site was ready. I think it was like a few days before the building delivered. So when the building delivered, we were able to come in, take the steel off the truck and start standing still immediately. No complaints. Probably the best scheduling I've seen. You don't see steel buildings like this. It's like every day I get phone calls from this project, and it's incredible. Just the honesty and the integrity that comes with their company. We look forward to doing a lot of work with Allied. We would not pick another company to do this project with. I mean, Allied has been great. They've been with us step for step. That's all we can ask for, because that's who we are.